Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we learned the solutions of the linear equations. What is? Find the solution of linear equation in two variables. Today we will learn draw the graph, how to draw the graph of the linear equation in two variables. The first question of our 4.3 exercise, read everyone, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. Draw the graph of each of the following. The first part is given graph. So x plus y equal to 4. We have to draw the graph of this linear equation in two variable. It is two variable here, and we have to draw the graph. So first we will find the solution, then we will draw the graph. What is? First we will find the solution, and a solution everyone know. How will you find? One time we will put x some value and find the value of y. Suppose for x equal to 0. If x is 0, 0 plus y equal to 4. So y equal to 4. So what is? You can make table. It is x, it is y. When x is 0, y is come how much? 4. Second time, what we will do? One time in most of question, one time we will put x 0, and another time we will put the y is 0. Now you can put y is 0 in place of y is 0 for y equal to 0. If y is 0, so x plus 0 equal to 4. So x equal to how much? 4. X is 4. So these are two solutions of the linear equation in two variable, and everyone know how many solution of linear equation in two variable? Infinite. So therefore at least two solution we will find. At least two. You can find more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, but at least two solution we will find. One more solution you can find if you want to find. Suppose for x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, so 1 plus y equal to 4. So y equal to 3. So y equal to 3. So these are the three solutions of linear equation. Now these three solutions we will draw in graph. So if you want to represent any point on graph, we need two perpendicular line, x-axis, y-axis. And now the first is, it is origin. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now we will draw the graph. Yes, x is 0. So y is how much? 4. X is 0 is always on y axis, and y is how much? 4. So this is the point. Y 0, y is 4, and x is 4. It is the first point. Next is when x is 4, it is x is 4, and y is 0, and y is 0 always on x axis. So this point. So this is the point. X is 4, y is 0. These 2 points are sufficient to draw the graph. You can join these 2 points. It is the graph. Otherwise, you can draw this third point also. X is 1, y is 3. X is 1, this one. Y is 3, this one. And x is 1. So x coordinate, how will you find? Perpendicular distance from y, how much? 1. So you can take 1. So this one, and where is this point? Here. So this is the point here. So what is 1, 3? Now we will join all the points those we already draw in graph. So these are points. By using of scale, we are join these all 3 points this one. So these point, so it is the graph. So all these point on lies on line. This point, first solution always on line, second solution on line, third point is also on line. So it means it is the graph of which equation? So you can write which one equation? X plus y equal to 4. It is the graph of this linear equation. And one thing is always remember, from these graph we can identify some terms. What is? First is, yes, we know we know a linear equation in two variable has how many solution? Infinite solution. But here how many solution we find? 3. 1 solution, 2 solution, 3 solution. And all 3 solution are on lines. It's mean every point on this line. Because a line is made by how many point? Infinite. And we know a linear equation in two variable, how many solution? Infinite solution. And a line is also made by infinite solution. So that's why, because we know a line is made by infinite point, and we know every point on this line is the solution of this one. So therefore if on this line have infinite point, and therefore this equation has a infinite solution is also. So we can recognize from here what is the graph of, what type of graph of linear equation? The graph of linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. Which line? It is a straight line. And second is, every point on the graph, or every point, all the points are the solution of this linear equation. Every point on this solution, you can check any point. Suppose we want to find this point, any point you can choose. This is the solution. It is 3, it is 1. Yes, 3 and 1. 3, x is 3, y is 1. Yes, x is 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, every point on this line is the solution of this linear equation. Understand? So it means if you draw the graph, every point on the line is the solution. So every linear equation into variable, how many solution? Infinite solution. How many solution? Infinite. And second important is, graph of linear equation is always a straight line. So note down it. It is the first question. Okay. So first note down. What is? I am writing, graph of the linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. So right, you can note down it. The graph, what type of the graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line, is always a straight line. The graph of linear equation is always a straight line. What is straight line? Second is, every point, it is graph. So every point on the graph is the solution of the linear equation. Every point on the graph of, whose graph? Graph of linear equation of two variables. Every point on the graph of linear equation of two variable is is solution of the equation. Is the solution. Every point on the graph is always solution. So it means how many solution? Infinite and infinite points. So note down these 2 points, very important. Understand? Now, next is second part we will do now. Note down it. The graph is straight line and every point on the graph is always a solution. Next is first question. One more part. First question, which one? We are doing third part. Y equal to 3x. Draw the graph of this linear equation into. Yes, it is a linear equation because degree is 1 and 2 variable x and y. So draw the graph. To draw the graph, first always we will make table. Yes, what is x and y? If x is 0, you can find for x equal to 0. So y equal to 3 into 0. So y is also 0. So y is also already 0. Now you can find for x equal to 1. X is 1. So you can write y equal to 3 into 1. So how much? So y equal to 3 into 1, 3. If x is 1, 3 into 1, 3. Now you can find one more solution. What I told you, 2 solution is sufficient. No need to find more than 2. If you want to find, you can find. Now suppose for x equal to, now you can take y equal to 1. If y is 1 or y is any number you can take. Suppose y is 3. If y is 3, so 3 equal to 3x. 3 is another side divide. So x equal to 1. So if this point is already fine, y is 3. So no need to use this one. Another point you can find if you want to find. If x equal to 2, you can find. If x is 2, y is 2, then 2 equal to 3x. So x equal to 2 divided by 3. If y is 2, so it is 2y. Understand? So it is the solution. And a graph of linear equation, in 2 variable, how many solution? Infinite. But here we find only these 3. Now what we will do? We will draw in graph. How we will draw? We take 2 perpendicular line. Y axis, it is x dash and x. We will use scales. It is origin. So choose 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Next, first point. X is 0 and y is also 0. Yes, these are the point of origin. So this is the point. 0, 0. Next is x is 1. It is x is 1 and y is 3. So where? So this x is 1. So this is the point. X is 1. X is 1. It means perpendicular distance from y is how much? 1. Y is 3. Taking perpendicular distance from x is 3. So it is. So this point is 1, 3. Next is y is 2. It is 2. And now x is 2 by 3. So first we will find what is the value of 2 by 3. 2 upon 3 value 0.6. 0.6 and 0.6 between 0 and 1. It is 0 and 1. And it is 0.5 in middle of 0 and 1. And it is slightly greater than 0.6. Here is 0.6. Now y is 2. It is y is 2 and it is. So this is the point. What is 2 upon 3 divided by and 2. Now after the plotting the points on graph, we will join the points like this one. All the points we will join. And again we observe every solution of this equation. Solution of this equation on the line, and on this point, on this line, how many point? Infinite point. So this equation has how many solution? Infinite. So this is the graph of the linear equation in two variable. Very simple. First we will find solution and draw in graph. Everyone know easily. In 8th class also we learn how to draw the points on graph. So it is first question our finish. Now read the second question, everyone. Note down it. Next question. So from this graph we learn two things. First is the graph of the linear equation is always a straight line, and second is every point on the line, every point on the graph is the solution of equation. Is the solution of equation. And everyone know what is solution. Solution means a point which is satisfy the equation. So first is second question. Give the equation of the two lines. We have to find the equation of two lines having passing through point. It is a 1 point. 2 and 14. X is 2 and Y is 14. Suppose this is the point 2 and 14. From this point, give the equation of two lines passing through, and how many more such lines are there and why. We have to make two equations. We know, everyone know. If it is the graph of the linear equation, so it means these are all its solution. So from the every point equation is passing through. Same as it is, we have to make the equation, two equations which are passing through these points. Same as it is. If any line is passed through this point, what is meaning? If any line is passing through this point, it means this point is satisfy the equation. Is satisfy the equation. So you can write any equation you can write easily, very simple. Suppose x plus y, yes, equation. X is 2, y is 14. 2 plus 14, 16. Yes, it is the first equation which is passing through this point. If this point is the solution of this equation, it means this point is satisfy the equation. 2 plus 14, 16. Yes, any equation you can write. 2 into x. Yes, you can write 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. And y is any number you can write. What you want, you can write minus also. Minus y and equal to, now 2 in x is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 14, how much? Minus 10. It is the equation. Two equation. Like this one, how many equation we can write? Because from a point, this point, how many equation we can draw? We can draw a infinite line which is passed through this point. Because if from a point, how many line we can pass through? Infinite. So we can write like this one, how many equation? Infinite equation we can write. Any one other? X plus 2y equal to, now in place of x is 2 plus 2 multiply y is 14. So 2 plus 2 into 14, so it is 30. So what is become? 30. So you can write, these are the three equations. And he asking how many more such line we can draw. So you can write, how many more such line are there? So we can draw infinite equation which are passed through, which is passed through the points, which are passed through points to 14. Why? Because from a point, there is infinitely, because from a point there is infinite line may pass through, may pass. Otherwise you can write, because there is a infinite line can pass through a point. Understand it? So it is the region. Understand? Because we have to write the equation which is passed through this point. If any equation is passed through this point, so it means this point is satisfied. It means this point is the solution of this equation. Solution. And solution means satisfy the equation. Do you understand? So there is an infinite equation. Understand? Now one question I am giving you for homework. You will do yourself. Same question. In place of point 214, what is? Homework is, draw how many line is passed through the points 3, 1. You have to write now, same as it is second question, with equation we have to write 3 equation which are pass through point 3, 1. We have to write infinite equation. And why? You have to give reason also. Understand it? Next is third question. If the point 3, 4 lies on graph. Whose graph? Lies on the graph 3y equal to ax plus 7. Suppose it is the graph of this equation. It is the graph of this equation, and this point lies on this graph. To find the value of a. How will you find? Tell me, think. If 3, 4 is solution of this equation, if 3, 4 is on the line, it means it is the solution of this equation. If 3, 4 is the solution, it means it is satisfy this equation. So put in place of y is 4 equal to a into 3 plus 7. 12 into 3a plus 7. 7 another side minus equal to 3a. So 5 equal to 3a. So a equal to 5 divided by 3. So what is the value of a? A is 5 divided by 3. Because if any point on the line on the graph, that means it is the solution of this equation. Understand it? Last question our today, fourth question. Yes, this is the one homework question you have to write. Yes. Find the value of m if point -2 and 1 is pass through the equation. What is equation? Equation is mx minus 2y equal to 8. We have to find the value of m if this point is passed through the equation. Understand it? Next is draw the graph. We have to make the graph. What equation? Equation is that 2x plus y 2x equal to y equal to 8. We have to make the graph of this. So these three questions, 1, 2 and 1 is already I given. So these are it is homework. So everyone I think understand what is the solution of the linear equation, what is the graph of the linear equation, and what is the meaning. Graph of the linear equation is always a straight line, and every point on the line is solution of this equation. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.